Continuing with the topic of the branches of the geography, next comes your human geography. In this, your first is social and cultural geography. In this, we study about the society, their culture, what they are facing there, what they are continuing with the culture. Social groups share same characteristics and sense of the unity. That is, each social group have their some own characteristics. Example, Gujaratis are there, they have their own culture. Bengalis are there, they have their own culture. If you go to the south, people of the different states, they have their own culture. If you go to the eastern side of the India, they have northeastern people, they have their own culture and the attributes. Next comes population settlement geography. In population, we study about the characteristics of the population, density of the population, mortality rate, fertility rate, migration and all. In settlement, we study about the size distribution of the settlement, functional hierarchy of the settlement. Different theories are there that is given for the settlement is basically the types of the houses on the basis of which it is divided. Next comes, that is your, in the settlement geography, that is we divide the cities also. First villages are there, then comes towns, then cities, then metropolitan cities. They are basically divided on the basis of the population only. Then comes your economic geography. We study in this about the economic activities. Economic activities, that is all the three sectors, that is your primary, secondary and tertiary sector. Primary sector, we include your mining, forestry, agriculture. Secondary sector, that is your industrial activities. Even the resources that we are getting from the nature, we changes into a usable form in the industrial sector, in the secondary sector. Then comes the third sector, that is the tertiary sector. Service sector, we study about all this thing in the economic geography. Then comes the historical geography. Historical geography, we study about the poverty, health, education and the livelihood. Historical geography, that how the civilization have started, what the changes they have done, how the people were, their health were there, what they were earning, are they were educated or not. This we all study in historical geography. Next comes political geography. Study of the political phenomena, creation and transformation of the political and administrative regions. Even this political geography is basically a political complexes with the territorial component. That is the politics among the people within the territories, within the territory of a country comes under the political geography. Biogeography, in this we study about the plant geography. Plant geography, that is the natural vegetation, their types, how they are adapted themselves in the surrounding, because there are different varieties, different features of plant species are there. There are tall trees are there, shrubs are there, there are creepers are there, climbers are there, how they have adapted themselves in the region. This we study in plant geography. Next comes zoo geography, that is about regarding the animals and their habitat, how the animals have adapted themselves in the forest area where they are living, where the area they have got to live, or even if they are living in the houses, how they have adapted themselves in there. If they are living in the zoo, how they have adapted themselves in that area. If you take the example of the aquarium is basically a artificial habitat for the fishes, and ocean is the original habitat for the fishes. So the fishes that are living in the aquarium, they have adapted themselves to the artificial environment of the plants. Stones are natural there, but the plants are there. Oxygen we are providing them artificially, the warm water we are providing them artificially. So their adaptation in the aquarium is studied in the zoo geography. Next comes ecology, that is your ecosystem and the environment. Study about the environment, our adaptation to the environment, plants and animals adaptation with us, that we study in the ecology.